Hello, my name is David, and I am going to show you how to make the octopus guy from Super Smash Bros. First, you make the body, so I just took some clay and, made it almost look like a sea star. Then I, cut two of the little tentacles off. And then I poked a hole inside of a oval of clay and put it here. Put some yellow clay down here. I gave it some texture, you don't have to. And then I put some black clay up here and put two little eyes here and here. And then I took some extra red clay and made a pear shape and flattened the bottom. Then I took yellow and green clay and made two little dots here. And this next part is kind of tricky because I took some snakes of clay and put yellow at the tip and just rolled it in and made them a bunch of little C's and put them just along here, and then I put some yellow clay here and here, even though I didn't have to. Then you make a bunch of leaf shapes that are green and bluish green, and make them look like stars and put them on top of each other until you have a leafy thing. So yeah, that's how you make the octopus thing from Super Smash Bros. Bye.